His eyes were brown. 2, 3, 4. Brown like a stone. Bum, bum. That's Re, right? That's the second scale degree. Brown like a stone washed in the ocean. And notice I'm putting the note directly over the syllable that is attached or connected to that pitch, right? And then the fourth line, far, far from home. And that's Re, that's a 5 chord. And then if you sing it again, the second time through, it's going to have to end, not have to, but probably will end on a tonic. All right? Like the chorus. This could be the chorus of something. I don't know. That's the process I go through. And then I take this and I take it into finale, and then I make it look really pretty, and then give it to the child. Let me show you that. I want to make a couple of comments right here before I go any farther. What you see in front of you is obviously 2 versions of the same tune. The top one is written in a way that I think is more authentic for pop music, and this piece that I sang is very pop-esque. The one on the bottom is more in keeping with how I was trained as a Western art musician, and possibly you. It's much more familiar. It's easier to see the subdivisions and the syncopations when it's in eighths and quarters. Notice that the meter signature is now in cut time, and the one on the top is in 4/4. The music flows in a the subdivision, that underlying pulse that would drive the final tune, is going to be an 8th note in cut time or a 16th note in common time. The reason I point this out is to bring it to your attention that there is more than one way to notate music, and to push yourself to notate music in unfamiliar ways, such as in the top example, in an effort to push you forward as a musician and an artist. All right, from beginning to end, here is the finished product. His eyes were brown, brown like a stone. I notated it in G, and actually I sang it in F. It doesn't really matter. I kept it in G. All right, there it is. You hand it off to the child or whomever you're working with, and then you've got to work on an accompaniment. Let's see. What would be good? Yeah, da, 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 da. His eyes were brown, brown like a stone washed in the ocean, far, far from home. His eyes were brown, brown like a stone. Using the template is a great way to get kids to a point where they can write their own music and enjoy the creative process, and more importantly, learn something about music in an authentic way. If you have any questions, let me know. I am here for you. Poo poo, pee doo.